Good morning, students, and welcome to another online and very interesting life-size classroom of St. Michael's Academy. As I told you earlier, that I will show you one GIF of circulation of blood flow or circulation of blood in toad's heart. So, in this slide, I'll discuss on only the circulation of blood in toad. So, let's start this interesting class. Actually, in toad's heart also, double circulation we can see, but not like human being because there are only three chambers, right? Two atrium, this is right atrium, till this, it is right atrium, till this, follow my leisure, you will understand. This is right atrium and this portion is left atrium. And this is ventricle. Only one ventricle is there. But then also double circulation can be seen in toad's heart. How? The first loop, that means first circulation, the first loop moves oxygen poor blood, that means deoxygenated blood, from the heart to pick up oxygen in the lungs and skin. Then it moves the oxygen filled blood back to the heart. So this is the first circulation. So the first loop moves oxygen poor or deoxygenated blood from the heart to pick up oxygen in the lungs and skin. Then it moves the oxygen filled, means after filling the oxygen or after being oxygenated, the blood back to the heart. And in the second loop, blood filled with oxygen moves from the heart through vessels to the body, and then oxygen diffuses into body cells. Amphibians have 3-chambered hearts. Okay, so hope so you have understood. Now see this diagram. 3 chambers, already I have told that this is right atrium, this is left atrium, and this is only one ventricle in toad's heart. Now see, arrow is coming, brown arrow, and one aqua blue color arrow. 2 arrows are coming, that means from 2 atrium, oxygenated and deoxygenated blood is coming, and it is mixing. Already I told you, mixing of blood happens as there is only one ventricle in toad's heart. So mixing of blood happens, and then this blood is moving through, this is conus arteriosus, through conus arteriosus, and then to the body and lungs, means other portion of the body and lungs. One more time I am telling you, just watch the brown arrow and blue arrow first. Oxygenated and deoxygenated bloods are coming, mixing in ventricle, and then they are spreading through the body and lungs via conus arteriosus. Hope so you have understood. This slide is very small because I just wanna tell you the conception of the circulation of blood in toad's heart. What you have to do, I am giving you one homework. According to my previous slide, you have already drawn ventral view and dorsal view of toad's heart. So according to this slide, as homework, you will draw this blood circulation by arrow. Arrow also you will give here, only this view, whatever picture diagram I have given, you will draw. This is a very important diagram. So you will draw this, and obviously you will show this to me. No need to send this through mail. Please show this to me in my live class so that I can comment on this then and there. Okay? Hope so you have understood, and hope so you are getting interest in the circulation of blood in toad. So thank you students, and have a very nice day. Hope all of you are well. Bye bye.